New this morning. Hunter Biden is suing the IRS, saying the agency unlawfully disclosed his tax information and failed to protect his private records. This has been filed days after Biden was indicted on a 3-felony gun charge. And we've also learned he also faces a potential tax charge again as well. CNN's Kara Scannell joins me now with the very latest. Do we have any sense of why Biden is suing now over this? There was a plea deal involving the money he owed for taxes, but now he's suing the IRS.
Yeah, I mean, this is part of a bolder legal strategy by the Biden defense team, and they're filing this lawsuit against the IRS saying that through their agents, these are the two whistleblowers, Gary Shapley and Joseph Ziegler, that they disclosed private information and that the IRS didn't do a good job of safeguarding that information. And what they're alleging here is that the whistleblowers went beyond what is accepted under the statute that protects a whistleblower from going forward. So in their lawsuit, they allege these agents' putative whistleblower status cannot and does not shield them from their wrongful conduct in making unauthorized public disclosures that are not permitted by the whistleblower process. In fact, a whistleblower is supposed to uncover government misconduct, not the details of that employee's opinion about the alleged wrongdoing of a private person. So in this lawsuit, they point to a number of public appearances by the whistleblowers and their attorneys, where, including on CNN, where they're talking about their thoughts about this investigation that Hunter Biden had received favorable treatment. They also specifically talk about what they say Hunter Biden had in his tax returns. That was that he was taking as personal expenses, but marking them as business expenses, including expenses for prostitutes, for sex club memberships, and for hotel rooms for purported drug deals. One of the agents also disclosed in an interview that Hunter Biden owed more than $2.2 million in unpaid taxes. And that is what Hunter Biden's attorneys are saying was the unauthorized disclosure here. Now, I just got comments in from Shapley's attorney, one of those whistleblowers. They're calling this lawsuit a frivolous smear by the Biden family attorneys, and they said that they didn't overstep their boundaries in the whistleblower protections. The IRS just got back to me. They're saying that they do not comment on pending litigation. Sarah?
All right, Kara Scannell, we know you'll be watching this as this unfolds further. We appreciate you. Let me ask you now a question about Hunter Biden. He has been charged with other things after his case was thrown out, and now he is suing the Internal Revenue Service, alleging that the agents illegally released his tax information and that it failed to really protect his private records. Does he have a case?
Well, under Title 26, 18 U. Title 26, 6103. It's a geek section. I did this for 11 years. You are protected from disclosure of your returns. However, if there's an investigation or there's a proceeding involving your returns, the DOJ and the IRS can use it to investigate or to put forth a position. I don't know if that case has a lot of merit.
Gene Rossi, I love that you are giving us all literally the itsy bitsy details of the case, because you know what the codes are in the law. And obviously, you've been a good attorney throughout. Thank you so much for coming on and giving us your analysis of all the things.